Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 25th, 2023, 7:20 p.m. This is a NuTone Proline 1, or as it says on the box, a NuTone industrial paddle fan. This is brand new in the original box. And I have it hitched up to a 5-speed Enviro fan control. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Not bad. Yourselves?
Good, thank you.
Nice. Now for the spin down. Alrighty, I'm actually going to show you around this fan a little bit. See some of the stickers here. Now, K87, I'm assuming that's the year, but please do correct me if that's some erroneous information. NuTone Scoville, made in Hong Kong. I have another one from 84 that has the different lower canopy. This one, you know, here is more like, I don't know, like Homer Simpson's head. And the other one is more trapezoidal shaped. I might have one around here somewhere, but and I have it hitched up to the Enviro fan controller. Here are some of the original parts. The lock washers and these things that I never use. Mounts and bracket. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.